Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to book a cheaper ride on Uber. So first, open the Uber app and enter your destination. Before confirming the ride, compare the available ride options and their prices. If your trip is flexible, check whether changing the pickup time or location slightly gives you a lower fare. You can also check for available Uber promotions or discounts in the app. Then choose the right option that best fits your budget and your needs. Then after that, review the pickup location, destination, estimated price, and payment method before confirming. Then tap the button to request your ride. You need to keep in mind that Uber prices can change based on demand, location, time, and other factors. So that was how to look for a cheaper Uber ride. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.